Pakistani pharmaceutical importers have spoken highly of Chinese products at the two-day Pharma and Healthcare Expo recently held in Islamabad, capital of Pakistan. Mohammad Salman, sales manager of Lahore-based United Chemicals, said China's pharmaceutical and healthcare industry is huge and offers lots of options.
Actually, their prices are very negotiable and prices are very workable for Pakistan industries, and they are very committed to work. So that's why we prefer China, and Chinese industries are very big industries, and they have lots of options, lots of products for sale. So that's why we are our main imports, our 75% import depend on Chinese.
Muhammad Iqbal, managing director of Cervix Group of Companies Pakistan, said Chinese products have higher quality and affordable prices compared to those on the domestic market.
In my business, 50% share from China. We import all laboratory instruments from China, and a lot of products, main raw materials we produce import from China. We're not comfortable with other countries, like same quality we can purchase from China. We are comfortable with China.